How to install the lift system. Measure the center line of the cabinet and make a mark. Measure the cabinet inner height between top and bottom board. Calculate the position of center hole and mark. The position hole height should be the cabinet inner height minus 682 mm. Install the screw on the center hole but leave out 3 mm from the surface. Pre-drill a hole for the power cable on the left of the cabinet. Take apart the compartments on the lift. Place the lift inside the cabinet. Hang the lift on the installed screw of the position hole. Align the lift system with the cabinet at horizontal. Install the lift system on the cabinet with the screws. Discharge the protective screws on lift. Note, it can't work until the protective screws are all discharged. Test and adjust, make sure the system moves smoothly. Replace the bottom board of the lift. Install back the compartments on the lift. Install the top board of compartments. Fasten all the knobs. Plug into the power cable. Testing if everything works well. Install the lift system on the cabinet with screws after debugging. Install the movable board of the cabinet. The installation is completed.